Hi, Laxgib here, Titan's #1 fan. I'm here today to talk to you about how to use prediction and multi-line copy. To start, we're going to go and make sure that prediction is turned on. So when we go down to the EquatIO button, we're going to go to Options, and we're going to go to Math Options. In here, we want to make sure that Math Prediction is blue and Formulas is blue. If not, press on the button to turn it on. When complete, press Save. When we want to find the formula, we simply go down to the equation editor and start typing in the word volume. A series of volume formulas will appear. Find the volume formula that you are looking for. In this case, the volume formula is base times height. If we want to change it to length times width times height, we can do so. The next thing we're going to do is on our keyboard, we are going to use the Control-Shift-Enter key, and this will copy down the line. This allows students who have trouble with copying to reduce their workload. We can now come in and enter the information that we have. Again, to copy down the line, we go Shift, Control, Enter. The line is now copied. Now we can come in and write a response. When we are finished, we simply press the Insert Math button, and our work will show up on the page. If needed, you can press on the math so that it is outlined in blue and press Edit Math to make changes.